Okay, so we have a wind warning and the RV has been rocking like never before, but in intervals as the wind just comes down the inlet and like shakes us like crazy. Jules is actually hiding under the table for the first time ever. So I may need to drive inland. Yeah, it's a little wild. Honey, see a thing. There's Mopsy. He's a dancing. Mopsy's dancing. David's dancing too. Okay, Sean, I used 4 apples and some red lentils and some cinnamon and coconut oil as the base with some carrot juice and some tomato sauce and just a little wee bit of salt and one of those curry cubes so far.